Hello. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how LED lash extensions help you lash faster. Before we jump in, same as all my other videos, if you're a beginner lash artist, meaning you've been lashing under a year, do not expect this to magically shave an hour off your services when you don't have your application skills at 100. So, let's jump in. I have my client here. She likes to get mega volume, so you'll see my mapping. And the first way that the LED light helps me lash faster is by curing immediately. The LED light cures the LED adhesive immediately within 2 seconds, which is kind of the basis for the rest of the 3 reasons I'm going to list today. A bonus tip with that is that you'll notice my client's eyes, they don't fully close. This is a medical condition called langophthalmos, and because the adhesive is curing immediately, the vapors don't get a chance to irritate her eyes, which makes the experience more comfortable for her, and she wakes up with little to no redness at all. The second way the LED light helps me lash faster is by reducing stickies. Again, this is because the adhesive is curing immediately, so you're able to move on to the next lash without fearing that the extension you just placed will stick to another one. By not having to remove stickies in between or at the end of the service, that saves you precious minutes of lashing. The third way the LED light helps me lash faster is by only curing when I need it to. The LED light is controlled by a foot pedal that I have under my client's chair. I can take however long I need to perfectly place an extension on a natural lash before I hit that foot pedal to activate the light. That means I'm getting precise placement each time, and I don't have to remove and reposition misplaced extensions, which again saves me precious minutes. I don't know if you guys have ever seen those videos where people will time how long it takes to make a fan, how long it takes to place a lash. All of those seconds and minutes add up. So you think it's minimal things you're doing to save time, but minutes and minutes add up to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and that makes a difference in your application time and to your client's personal time. The fourth way LED light helps me lash faster is by eliminating the need for fanning, misting, and or applying bonder. So again, the LED light bonds the adhesive immediately, and it cures it completely inside and out within those 2 seconds. So once I'm done placing that last lash extension, I can go ahead and start double checking my work, removing the gel pads and tape, and then start to sit my client up so that she can go home. So those are the 4 ways that this LED system has helped me lash faster. I've been lashing for almost 3 years. My full sets were normally around 2.5 hours, and my refills were an hour and a half, an hour 45, and this system has helped shave down that time by 15 to 30 minutes. Again, if you're new to lashing, you might be oh, that's it. Trust me, when you get more experience, every minute counts. That being said, I still prep my clients the same way that I did prior to buying this light system. And this specific light system is from Lash Apothecary. They are the company that's kind of at the forefront of this for our industry, so I trust them. They're very educated. They're super helpful. They did all their homework and research before coming out with these products. This is not sponsored. I just really respect them. And I'll leave all the useful info and links down in the description. And that's all I have for you in this video. I hope you do find it super helpful, and please give it a like if you did. Leave any questions in the comments. I'm very active in my comment section so that I can give you guys answers as soon as possible. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!